Okay, here we are on the website where you signed up for your free brush. So just give me a minute while I sign up for my brush. Type in my email. And sign up. Next, you're going to want to pop over to your email. Scroll and click the link that says download brush. It's going to automatically open up in Dropbox, and this just brought me to the web browser, but I've got the app downloaded on my iPad, so I'm going to open it up into the actual Dropbox app. Okay, now I want you to look at the top right hand corner, click the three little dots, and then go ahead and scroll to about the middle and click export. Scroll to the right until you see copy to Procreate and click that icon. This is going to bring you right into the Procreate app, and that brush has already been downloaded in your imported brushes. That's it, guys. Super quick tutorial just to make sure that you were able to download that free brush you wanted.